First of all, share atmosphere now what Takwa Hanum TnA has this year. We imagine say Obeba be ball Premier League game with Kotoko.
Yeah, I would say honestly the atmosphere here in Takwa, like it's crazy. Honestly, like I really love this pitch. Honestly,
yeah. But personally, what do you make of the game today? It's a friendly game, but it was very intense.
It was very intense, and I would say this is just a friendly game. We are trying to build our team, and I'll plead with the supporters to just pardon us for now. We'll go back to our drawing board and we'll come back stronger. And
what are you adding to your game now that you're a part of this Kumasi Asante Kotoko team with so much pressure?
So for now, I would say like I have to add the scoring to my game, and yeah, everything will be fine, honestly.
Right. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Me check crowd now and then shep and then game ama bonnet event where then I'll be found.
Well, your crowd now because I said that and come now I said that Edika can Ochadian Punyankopo. By you don't must say what atmosphere Modia Mayeno. You don't must say what this opportunity. You don't must say. Now
Osha performance and now more than it Moody Rap Premier League season Osha but performance was home no a bet says say amamo.
Well, Rebecca said, signal you send it out and say, this TnA Park, Obanwa, Mama for winning free uncle. That's why you put to your best. See, baby, we need this match.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you too.